Hi friends. So welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here. So today's topic is nothing but long-term investment. So many people regularly keep asking me, sir, please give some ideas for long-term investment, and I keep telling them I'm basically only a trader. I believe in making money myself instead of trusting others. Okay, so today I just thought I'll just share what I am doing so that it will be useful for you. In case if you're not thought in the way I am thinking, you can just think I'm just trying to give a food for thought. So I'm just trying to give you a small encouragement for an investment in a better manner. Okay, so a small techniques which I'm using, I'll just share it with you in today's video so that if you're not yet started, it will inspire you, and if you're already doing, then you will get inspired to do in a better way. If at all you feel mine is a better way, you can do it. Okay, so stay tuned till end of the video. You'll be getting full updates, and don't forget to press the subscribe button as well. You'll be getting regular updates on trading. And also friends, uh, gold is one among the most traded commodity and also most talked about topic. So based on many people's request, I am almost I had actually started the back testing and then also started live trading from past 1 week. So there's one beautiful strategy just getting ready in the gold, I mean on gold contract. So if at all you want to see it and also experiment it, start trading yourself, start backtesting yourself, then you have to wait for another one couple of days, because I'm just doing backtest for quite some time so that I can also share it with you as well. Okay, so people those who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. You will be getting lots and lots of updates regularly. Okay, now this picture I found it in website and I felt it very interesting, worth sharing it with you. Um so what would rupees 100 from 2010 be today? Okay, so we are just considering example of rupees 100 because many people what they keep complaining is that I don't have money for investment, I don't have money for investment. That is why I'm taking the most easiest affordable amount, that is 100 rupees. So if at all a person would have invested 100 rupees on a car, okay, say for example the car was bought for 100 rupees. So you all know that car is a depreciating asset, so it would have gone down to 10 rupees by now. So we are now in 2020. So in 10 years you can see that 100 rupees worth car would have become 10 rupees. It's almost depreciated. The value is not there. A 100 rupees note would have been 100 rupees then and now as well. Now comes to the most interesting part, which all of the uh, Indians do. Okay, so most of our parents, most of our grandparents, all those who keep, I mean, they always force us or guide us, encourage us. That is nothing but bank saving. So this is not fixed deposit, this is just normal bank saving, and you would have got 145 rupees. That is nothing but it is 4 to 5% returns every month, sorry, every year. Silver, one among the neglected topic, neglected instrument, if at all you have to say. The price is very less, but still you can see silver is has increased now to 178 rupees. And fixed deposit would have given you 229. Surprisingly, gold also has given you only 269 rupees, because as you know, gold there was no much movement, hardly any movement, but it is only now that it has picked up value. But overall, it has come up only 269. Now, from here onwards comes the most surprising part, that is the Reliance stock. So Reliance stock has almost increased three times if at all you observe. If at all you put money in a fixed deposit, you know that it will take minimum 6 to 7 years for your money to double. I don't know the exact calculation now, I have to just check for yourself. But if at all you would have invested in Reliance stock, 100 rupees would have become 310, that is more than 300% returns. Then, so these are all stocks which are out of India, that is Google. So stock, if at all you had invested in Google, it would have become 7 times by now. Microsoft would have become almost 10 times by now. So I don't want to speak further, because you don't have. We are not talking about foreign countries now. We're just talking limiting to Indian companies. Okay. So basically, you would have seen that if at all you would have invested in Wipro, it would have grown so much. If you would have invested in this company, it would have grown so much. You know, this is a regular feedback or regular discussion, even when I also, when I meet my friends or anybody of that sort, when I discuss, I also keep telling, if at all my grandfather would have invested 1,000 rupees during those days, I would have earned crores now. If at all my father would have invested around 10,000 rupees during those days, I would have earned crores now. This is what we keep telling. But why are we not acting on that? What we are investing now, it will become crores and crores, multi crores, when our children's or grandchildren's grow up. Don't you think so? Now, the excuse which always keep coming is, sir, I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money for investing. Do you have money for trading? That is my next question. So everybody, if most of them who are watching this video with me are all trading, I agree. That's what I believe. That is why they are in touch with me, and that is why they are subscribed to my channel. So if at all you are having money for trading, it means that you have money for investment as well. So I have already spoken a lot about this. So how is that? That is nothing but you have to invest into any stock and then you have to pledge it. When you pledge it, you'll get money for trading. So your investment also is happening and your trading also is happening. That is one method. Now you will ask me, sir, nobody knew 10 years before that Reliance would grow so much, or nobody knew during 10 years back that company like Wipro or Google or anything of that sort, whichever are famous now, would have grown so much. Because now also you can find there are many companies at 100 rupees value and all those things. We don't know which will grow. So if you invest in some kind of company and then it might lose value or it might go down, investment might go down, all these kinds of fears are there. So for this, the only one solution, which also I have already explained to you, you can go through my previous videos as well. As an investor, I invest only in Nifty. The reason because Nifty is almost, you can see the best companies in India. So the stocks Nifty 50 is calculated by the market cap of top 50 stocks in India, top 50 companies in India. So, if at all a company is not performing well, say for example, the company which I was working, 10 years before when I joined my company, I was so proud. Had joined ACC Limited. I joined exactly in 2010 itself. So, during that time, it was proud moment for me because whenever I go to any relatives' place or anywhere of that sort, and if they ask me which company you're working, I used to say them, if at all you have any doubts, just go and type Nifty 50 stocks, the topmost company which comes, that is ACC Limited, and that is where I'm working. Because ACC was in the alphabetical order, it was in the topmost company. But you know, ACC also has been removed out of the list of Nifty 50. So it also clearly means that the competition is so very high to be the top 50 in India. So I can say that for a normal person, for a person who has not got much much idea about investment or which stock to invest, to study about the fundamental details and all those things, the best and the safest choice is investing in Nifty Bs. Now I'll show you how to invest in that. Don't worry, because last time even after telling also many were not able to do that. And also the next question comes is, how will you invest? Friends, it's very very simple. Whenever you're making any profit in a stock market, come on, don't tell me that you make loss every day in the month. Even I'm not talking about break even. I'm talking about profits. Whenever you see profits of 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 1,000, 20,000, whatever in your stock, in your trading account, just blindly go and buy Nifty Bs on that particular days. Nifty Bs is hardly 100 rupees. So I'll just show you here. Just type Bs. Okay, BS. First one comes is the Nifty Bs. Just add it into your watch list or whatever it is, and then press the buy. You can see it's hardly 120 rupees now. Okay, so you can see Nifty value is 11,322. It is just 1% of it. Yes, just 1% of it. So now don't tell me that you don't have even 120 rupees for investment. But friends, this 120 what you're investing now is going to be something very big, because I'll again show you. Why not take Nifty itself and show you? Okay, Nifty 50. I'll just open the graph and show you. I'm just taking monthly chart. So as of now, it is at 11,332. So let us go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay. So we are starting from 1996. So you can see it around, it is less than 1,000 rupees. So it is pretty sure that Indian economy is going to grow, and you all know that we were growing at a very fast pace, and now it has got slowed down a bit. But you can be rest assured that India will grow very fast. Is one among the most emerging countries in the world. So the companies also in India will grow along with that. So if companies grow, Nifty value also will keep growing. So what you have to do now is, if at all you get a profit today, say for example 1,000 rupees, just go blindly invest today. It's like an almost SIP, that is systematic investment plan. Don't wait for any month and month start and all those kind of thing. You're getting profit today, go invest immediately today. That within 2 days you can see that it will reach into your demat account, and then after that you can pledge it. Once you pledge the 1,000 rupees, 9 rupees will come back into trading account, and once again you can start doing your trading. So during the days of losses, what happens? You'll be very emotionally drained. That is why I'm not saying not to invest on those days. But make it as a policy that whenever you're making profit, those days you just start investing. And if at all you feel that you don't want to invest your full profits, then start at least investing 10%, 20% of whatever profits you're making. And trust me, friends, even I never thought that I will be able to make a corpus. But doing this regularly without even knowing, by my subconscious, I used to, whenever I find some profits, I used to make 50% book off as Nifty Bees, and I kept on doing, and it's almost reached good value as of now. And also coming to the most important part, the second part. Once you make equal to one lot of Nifty, then you can start selling covered call as well. Far covered calls. And also, I'm not saying don't sell immediate monthly covered call. You'll have doubts that what in case if Nifty goes up and blah blah blah. Sell 2 months far away covered calls, and you'll get very good nice premium, and also keep very far away value. Almost you can say 10-20% far away, so that there is no hardly any chances that market will go 10-20% within 1 or 2 months. Yes, I agree, during Corona and all those things it happened, but it's not regular. So what happens is, month on month you will be getting your rental income as well by investing in this kind of method. So you're going to make money from your investment, that is in Nifty. You're also doing your trading, you're going to make money from your trading, as well as by doing covered calls you're going to get income. So there is going to be multiple sources of income which is going to come in. And now I don't want people saying excuses that you don't have money for investment. So friends, just give a thought to this. If you are saying now that if at all my father would have invested or my grandfather would have invested, don't make this mistake. Don't make your kids also tell the same thing to you. So start now, start doing action now itself. And also, I'm not recommending any stocks to you. And also, whatever I've told about Nifty, if at all you have any doubts, you can always do your research, ask your financial specialist as well, and then invest if at all you want to feel safe. Because later, if Nifty goes down, don't tell me that I told and did all this kind of thing. Only what I'm trying to say you is that as and when Indian economy grows, Nifty will grow 99, 100%. There is chances of Indian economy growing. So your investment also is going to grow, as well as you're going to have money for trading as well. So think about this, friends, and I would like to see you all investing. It will be very helpful for you all. Any other doubts, any confusion regarding this investment or any other things related to stock market, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.